Okay, great. Next we're going to install some plugins. And what plugins do is they add features or functionality to your blog. So what we'll do is go over to plugins on the menu and then go over to add new and click on add new. And then we're going to go over to the right to search plugins. And the first plugin we're going to add is called Zip Recipes. So we'll type that in. Okay, great. And here we have Zip Recipes, and go ahead and click on Install Now. And then click on Activate Plugin. And it's time to install our next plugin. And we'll click on Add New again. And go over to Search Plugins. And it's called About Me 3000. And then go, as we did earlier, click also Install Now. And then go over to Activate Plugin and click on that. Okay, great. Now we're going to install the Pinterest button plugin. Go up and click on Add New. And then go over to Search Plugins and type in Pinterest and click Enter for to search. And down on the right over here, the Pinterest Pin It button on Image Hover and Post plugin. We'll go over to Install Now and click on that. And then go over to Activate Plugin, click on that. And then we'll go again to the top to add another plugin. And this is called Contact Form 7. And then we'll press enter and search for that. And then we see it over here. Go ahead and click Install Now again. And then activate plugin. Awesome. We're all done installing plugins, and we're now ready for the next step. Okay, wonderful. Now we'll add the first recipe. So go over to the menu and click on Posts. And here you'll see an example post. Go ahead and hover over that and then click on Trash because we won't need that post. And then up at the top, click on Add New. And then enter your recipe name in the title field. And then go over to the right and we'll select the categories that the recipe will display in, and we'll select dinner and lunch. And we'll go ahead and set the featured image, and will display on the home page or the category page as well as the recipe detail page. And we'll go ahead and select files. You can also drag and drop images to upload those as well. And we'll select this image. Awesome. Now it's uploaded. We'll go over and click on Set Featured Image. And the image will display. 3, 2, 1. Okay, great. Now we're going to add a gallery to our recipe. So go ahead and click on Add Media, and then go and click on Create Gallery, and then over to these tabs and click on Upload Files, and then select Files, and we'll click on the first one and then hold down, press Shift, and you can select multiples, and then click Open. And as I said earlier, you can also drag and drop the images in to upload. And if you upload any that you don't want to include, you can actually uncheck those. And then go ahead and click Create a new gallery. And we'll go ahead and just select 2 columns. And we'll leave them in the same order and keep the size as thumbnail. And then we'll click on Insert Gallery, and then it will display. And if at any time you want to change the images or edit this, just click on it on the general area, then click on the pencil icon to edit it. And you can remove, or you can also add to the gallery. But we're not going to do anything, so we'll just exit out. Okay, awesome. After we add the gallery, we're going to add the recipe using the Zip Recipes plugin. And we'll go up to the icon and click on that. And then we'll put on some sample ingredients. And then there's a field for instructions. And down here there are more options where you can enter more details about your recipe. There's a summary, a rating, you can set up a rating system. We'll do a 5-star system. And the prep time, and the cook time, total time, yield, quite a few details you can enter. And then after you enter all your recipe information, then you'll just go ahead and click on Add Recipe at the bottom. And then you'll see this Zip Recipes recipe placeholder. And we're done for now, so we'll go ahead and publish it. Click Publish. Great. And you'll notice up here it says your site is currently displaying a coming soon page. You can continue to add more recipes, or and then you can click that at any time. But I'll go ahead and click it now. And that means that anyone can publicly see your page now. And if you want to check out the way it looks, go ahead and click on View Post. And up top here you'll see the large image, and then there's the Pin It button from the plugin that we added earlier. And then the Awesome Pizza recipe title, and the gallery with the Pin It buttons. And here's the rating system. And there's also a print button as well. So you can actually allow your visitors to print out the recipe